Diachronic means like diameter, across time. Synchronic means this moment, synonymous with this moment. Think of this as being like snapshot thinking. If we take a snapshot and we look at it, it tells a story. But to put that snapshot as part of a frame in a film that tells a whole story, you get a lot more information by looking at it diachronically across time. This is the problem with the AI guys. They're looking at consciousness and thought and intelligence in a snapshot view. This is what it is. They're not looking at how that intelligence came to be. The way to think of it is this. The world is not the way it is. It's how it's come to be. Do you see what I mean? If you think in terms of how it came to be, you have a completely different understanding, a deeper, more sophisticated and nuanced understanding of intelligence. Imagine this is now intelligence. They don't tell the story of intelligence, they just assume they know what it is. Anyway, so how do we, that's what this Earthling theory is about. This theory that I came up with is to take a diachronic view, a view through time,